Appreciate you seeing all the climate modeling you've been doing, and I'm wondering if you are partnering with other organizations that are actually doing modeling about human behavior, because it clearly we're not ready. You keep talking about business as usual. Well, given looking at our country today, we're clearly not ready to do much about anything. So let's say it takes us 20 years to ramp up to start to be a little bit more cognizant of our behavior and really support some of these changes. Let's say it takes 20 years. That's probably really optimistic. Has anybody done any modeling to say, okay, if it's business as usual for the next 20 years, then what are we going to be facing? Aren't we already at a tipping point where we can't wait? No.
The scientific community is working very hard to tell policymakers what the window of opportunity looks like, and that message is being constantly relayed to them. So I'm happy that you asked this question. There is a window of opportunity. We have quantified that window of opportunity for them, and we've told them how much time they have to get it together. That they still have a chance to get it together, but that get it together time period is about one human generation long. Yeah. So the price, coming back to this issue you raised earlier about the cost. So if you're worried about the cost of switching energy sources, just wait till you look at the cost of delaying the solution, because that cost becomes incredibly high the longer you wait. To come to the other part of your question, then I want to take the question over here. Yes, we are. I'm a physicist by training, and so I get nervous when I have to get all touchy-feely. But that's
okay, Bill. We like that.
But we are. So most of our climate models, they are models of things we can measure with a thermometer. But we Berkeley Lab are one of the two labs two groups on Earth that have now built a joint human climate system and are starting to look at the interactions to understand really what scenarios get us to, how do we land on our feet like a cat? And we're starting to look at that with this model.
Okay, another question from the audience?
So kind of